All
right, with your business news now, we're going over to Mike Eppel, where we are looking at a big winning streak for the TSX. Good morning, Mike.
Hey, good morning, Melanie. In fact, the longest in 21 years, the Toronto Stock Exchange has been up for 9 weeks in a row. It has been an extensive gain that really started at the end of the summertime. The TSX building some momentum here. And with the winning streak intact, it's going to be interesting to see if we can make it 10 in a row on Bay Street. And today, you mentioned, is a bank holiday. The Toronto stock market will be open, business as usual. The bond market is closed. And we are expecting some fairly light trading volumes. On Wall Street today, spotlight on a couple of historic names in the global industrial complex, I guess. We'll look at General Electric, which is set to announce a big restructuring effort in the wake of some weaker than expected quarterly earnings performances. And Boeing upstaging Airbus at the Dubai Air Show today. Airbus was all set to unveil a big contract with Emirates Airlines for some those A380 Super Jumbo jets. Instead, Boeing walked into the room with Airbus, Emirates rather, to announce a sale of some Dreamliner jets to Emirates worth $15.5 billion. Bombardier is also at that Dubai Air Show talking about the recent deal that saw Airbus buy a majority stake in the C-Series plane, and they're hoping to get some sales out of that. That $103 billion takeover bid for Qualcomm from rival Broadcom probably not going to go anywhere unless Broadcom comes back to the table with even more money. The talk is Qualcomm will reject the first $103 billion offer as being not enough money. And we'll see if those two big rivals can team up on a mega deal going forward. Would be the biggest ever in the tech space. Bitcoin is seeing all sorts of volatility, dropping 30% since a midweek high last week of $7,500 US. The Bitcoin market has seen tremendous volatility. Bitcoin Cash, meantime, a rival to the original Bitcoin, is up by about 22%. And what we all need for the daily commute coming out of the Brampton plant for Chrysler, the Dodge Demon has officially on the marketplace an 840 horsepower engine in this. Yes, it does have a gas guzzler tax included. The list price on it is $85,000 US. Only there's 300 to be built, only 300, or 3,000 to be built, only 300 available for Canadian buyers. Send it to the studio.
Mike, I want one. Nay,
yes?
I need one.
Yeah. Two, make it two. His and hers.
I love the design. I love the look.
Yeah, you know what? They're probably going to have to build a lot of little cars to offset the carbon.
Yeah, okay, it's not environmentally friendly.
No, it is not. And it's actually gotten some criticism because who really needs 840 horsepower under the hood?
Me,
but
Mike.
It's apparently street legal. Probably not good in the snow.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.